Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I'll speak about Bitcoin, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So what we have here is we have still consolidation that is going on the euro dollar with the key resistance at 1.0750. and key support around 1.0675. So this is something that we can see also that we have this choppy environment in the range development of the hourly time frame. So what we can have here, eventual downside breakout of the 1.0673 can be a good sign for the further downside movement and drop towards the 1.0600 mark. From another side, if market can break and hold above the resistance at the 1.0755, there will be a chance for a retest of the 1.0800 mark. So pay attention to this, let's say, trading range and watch for potential opportunity around. Now on the Bitcoin, seems like we have a potential for the downside continuation, especially because the hourly. At this point, we can see that this was more like a consolidation environment and the market basically broke to the downside. So we can see that weekly time frame and daily time frame, there we have a pin bars around and support around 59,650. So there is a potential chance for the market to at least retest this area. And if there will be a bigger drop and market can trade below this level, then the next downside objective will be set all the way down at 53,000 mark. Now on the dollar index, we can see that market is holding and this 20 bar moving average is holding, so around 105.40 mark. And this is also, if we put a trend line here, so the next support is around 105.20, 105.15. And from my view, this can still be just a corrective pullback based on this rally in the background, so there will be a chance for the upside continuation next period and potential for the retest of 106.50 and 107 mark. Now the hourly time frame is not supported, so we'll need to see and give more time for the more time to the market to eventually recover of this pullback and find higher highs and higher lows on the hourly time frame. On the gold market, we can see that market is in the consolidation, so we have consolidation in the last couple of days. So we have a key resistance at, I'll say 23,000, let's say 23.55 and support at 22.93. So the break of resistance at 23.50 and 55, this can be a good chance for the retest of 23.89, but the breakout of support around 22.96 can be a good chance for the and good sign for the further drop towards the 22.14. So pay attention to this consolidation and watch for the potential breakout. Now we have a crude oil, so still in consolidation. The pin bar high set at 86.16 and support around 81.10. So pretty much consolidation that is going on. I would like to see the breakout of this range to confirm any bigger directional move. And on the NASDAQ 100, this market is in a very important resistance area. You can see if I place the line here, there is plenty of the swing lows around this area. So from my perspective, this will be a key resistance and it's a go to no-go level. There is from my perspective, a very good chance for the market to find supply and sellers around this area and eventually to retest 17,200 or even make a new low and trade below 17,000 mark in next period short term. So pay attention because the resistance is on the test. And that will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.